cabbage soup to warm the soul, healthy and tasty. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from MikasTinyKitchen.com. Ready? Here's what you need. Use Savoy Cabbage. Ask your dairy for the pancetta in a chunk. Slice the cabbage in half and remove the core. Cut into 1-inch strip and then cross-cut into pieces. That will fit on the spoon. Who wants soup running down the chin? Flip your onion cutting into large dice. Cut the celery in half lengthwise and dice it. Dice half of your large carrot. Use your meat board. Dice the pancetta. I make 1/4-inch pieces. You can use bacon if you prefer smoky taste. Smash and mince the garlic. Mince the leaves of 2 or 3 sprigs of fresh parsley. Over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Add the garlic. Stir until fragrant. Add the onions and the pancetta. Saute until the onions are translucent and the meat just begins to color. Mix in the carrot, celery, and bay leaves. After a few minutes, add the cabbage. Careful not to spill it. Salt according to taste. I add about 1 teaspoon. Mix well. And cover stirring occasionally until the cabbage is wilted. Stir in the chopped tomatoes. And add 1 2/3 cups water and the vegetable bouillon. Add salt to taste. Then mix well. Cover and stirring occasionally. Simmer for about 20 minutes or until all the veggies are tender. While the soup finishes, grate 1 garlic clove into paste and mix well with extra virgin olive oil. Grated Parmesan, salt and pepper in a small bowl. I use about 1/4 cup EVO, 5 teaspoons Parmesan, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Spread generously on your baguette. Toast it in a toaster oven or under the broiler. Serve the soup in bowls, garnish with grated Parmesan, minced parsley with toast on the side. Gorgeous, and it smells wonderful, so full of cabbage and tasty vegetables. Mouth-watering and quite filling too. Oh, and with garlic toast, yummy! This is a perfect harvest season or winter dish. Good for your whole family and they will love it for sure. I hope you try it soon and thanks for watching my video.